Auntie want me run, I have to me go and auntie go look for them. I put now go and good.
So you say now you want a man?
Want a man to do with me, no man where me can't see what I do with them.
Yeah.
More a man we can't have house, we can't put me for sleep in there.
Yeah.
A person have no house to put me in there. I sleep me sleep a door.
Yeah. You want a house
Yeah.
and can drive out a car, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, on our way to.
Over the years, the internet bring a whole heap of things. It can be used for negative and it can be used for positive. It can be used for good and it can be used for bad. And one of the things where the internet definitely bring we over the years is social media sensations. We see a whole heap of them pop up. A whole heap of them come and a whole heap of them gone. We've seen a lot. Yeah, we see Barbara, we see Candy War, we see Bully Beef, we see Mackerel and several others. While some may last a little bit longer than the others, they all get thrown to the wayside at the end of the day. Now the latest ones making the rounds on social media is Rose, Expert and Sandokan. And everyone is getting a laugh and a giggle for this whole situation. Well, is it really funny? Is one of the questions that I have to ask. You ever notice that these social media sensations are normally people who have some kind of disability in some way? Whether it be the way them walk, the way them talk, the way them look, and sometimes in some cases even their mental state. Yeah. Now the question when me ask is it okay for us to find humor in these people's conditions? Think about it. Because we may look and watch and listen and laugh, but is it okay? Well, my brother over there on Facebook, Rowan Winter, is, having a conversation about this. And him kind of share him opinion on this whole topic. So we are going to jump in right now and take a listen to what Rowan has to say, and then we'll come back and talk a little bit more about it. Rowan, big up yourself, my brother.
Talking about this girl that they have this thing going on with, they call him Rose. And you know that little girl named Rose where them talk about where them talk and you know that little something there. For those who follow social media, you must hear the name Rose. And then call me if you get involved in that talking. They want my opinion in the talking. But then they not gonna like it, They really and truly they not gonna like it because I find it disgruntled that you use people's life and take it make papi show type. When me go my bed at night time, I play music or gospel music or I play some lovers music, depends on the mood that I am in. I don't feel like I should lie down and watch or listen. No, me not say discriminate them and discriminate over them, but I find it disgruntled for sit down and listen poor Rose where them are used for clouting and views and likes, and then two them throw her to the dog, just like what they do to the next one and then call them whoa, and that's what they keep on doing. And there's nobody now say that not right. You see, after them done with Rose, them are going to put Rose aside and them will find one next one. All we are do look for the next person to keep we happy and keep our Facebook views live and keep the thing going. As soon as they done, you know, you're nothing more about them. But they may see a post where they make with the one where you used to say name water, wow, everything, wow. I may see a post where they make with her and she sit down a smoke in a one little chamber by herself. And I said to myself, them beat up one throw him to the dogs. And then there was this girl that they call him Girly first. Where them take Girly and them use Greta, one tall one. Yes, and them use Greta, and then when them done it come and sit and call them sticky wine and all them kind of thing there, and them use her, the media run with her and then hype up her and then throw her to the dogs and then take up wow and then throw her to the wall. Thank God some Mackerel got like a sense, so Mackerel get good management, so Mackerel in that position. But when you look clout off a Rose and when you look views off a Rose, you think about what you do. You really think about what you do. Me don't want to get too much deep in it because people call me for ask opinion and people try to tag me in video for ask me opinion. But as I said, I refuse to take God's children's life and make mockery of it. Because later on down in lane, I don't know where my life I got turn out for be. So me refuse to join in with nobody foolishness and nobody life or whatever. Rose can't talk good. And therefore if Rose can't talk good, that is one of the clothing what they have after Rose. Because Rose can't talk, and export this. There's nobody to give the girl a counseling and say to him, sir, Rose, you don't need two man, mama. Rose, when you do this, you have to use condom, mama. Rose, you don't need to come and you can tell people about man, I do you this and man, I do that to you. And Rose, nobody don't need to make you run from one man to the next man and all of that and then give you like a $50,000. The Bible says, see, fool and their money shall depart. The Bible says, fool and their money shall depart. And people are short, give us 10,000, give us 20,000. There's not one person who say, make me set up a foundation for us. That's when them chew her to the wolf and chew her to the dog. Wish it gonna be sooner than later. Watch and see. Them only using these things for clothes, views and likes. And me know the part that I refuse to take nobody life and make clown and mockery out of it. Better me use my own life and make clout and mockery out of it. Me no find them thing they funny. Rose can't talk. And at night time Rose have people are call and I say, Rose, who do it better? Expert or whatever. And everybody will laugh about it. It's God children, man. It's God child. And I think it's right for you to take God pitney them and take them to them in a fool. And I take them to mockery, right? And them can't burn me out, because you know what I say, you have some people in this thing and will agree with you, and some people will disagree with you. No matter who you say, whether you say good, bad, or indifferent, there's always going to be people who are going to agree, and there's always going to be people who disagree. I don't care. As long as my God comfortable with what I'm putting in my heart, say, I must say it. So I don't care what your opinion is. Me just a say. Me don't think you're right. Take God pitney them and turn them in a cloud for views and like and dirty Facebook. You can't call it dirty Facebook. Flip on Facebook and all them kind of thing. Them me not think it right. And then you lie down in your bed and sleep and listen to that. Remember the days them we would have used something good and water we swallow before we go to bed. You remember the days when you're in love and you don't play too nice because lovers music. Now people have them phone and look bad. Export, he left export and he left, and then Rose is so much get caught up in it. Them have the little girl so much in it that are the big woman, cause she's a big woman. They have Rose so much in it that Rose pick up all this time. Oh, no, talk to me. I mean, talk to me. I mean, I say, watch her. She'll adopt them principle because she want to please them so much. She'll try her best to come out just like them. And then you have people calling, give her $50,000, give her $20,000, make her help Rose. That's not helping Rose. That not gonna help Rose. When somebody set up one foundation for Rose, that when time we no done beat up Rose and dash where Rose can't have the foundation for live off. When somebody jump and get involved in it and say, alright. Uno think so, you go play full Rose, you know, you go fishing bush and you catch fish and you put on bait on the hook and you throw it there and the line and you not catch nothing and then you have to bait and all them kind of something there. You want somebody who can get involved, who can take on the bait good funny. That means you must catch a fish. If you understand me, I say parable. But you want somebody who can set up a foundation for Rose, can help Rose. Instead of have her turn comedian and turn bagga and carry on with her foolishness. And when done, Rose, I mean, I tell you, this is only for a matter of time, It's only for a matter of time. You can take God people and use them for a matter of time. And I say like say they're intelligent. Come do it with me. Why you not clout me out? Why they not come clout me out for views and likes and all them something like that? They not say me look like comedian. Look how me look funny. Why make they not confuse me out and do me all them kind of something? But you can't really take God pitney. And boy, you make clout out of them and you try to make views and likes off of them. Where that I go? And then you go talk about like a something good you do. You know, no, I do nothing good. No, I do nothing good. And then you see, we as a people we reach a certain place where it's okay. It's okay. I mean, I tell you, you say for a lot of people hear me say it right now, they would have burned me, they would have beat me, they would have beat me. They would have say, hey, big head boy, where you not go? And you not go for this and you leave Rose alone, Rose a free, and we do this and we do that. Yet the Bible says we are all created in the image and the likeness of God. And if you're all created in the likeness and the image of God, there's nobody better than nobody. Because I see him borrow bread to you and I see him borrow bread me depend too. If you understand exactly what I'm saying. But me I say, me not like them thing there. Me not like them thing there. Now act like say me better than nothing. Me not act like say me sanctimonious or anything. And me not find anything amusing and funny. Like me not find Rose thing funny too. I do find it funny because I see the video and I do find it funny. You understand? But in the back of my funniness, me I think I may I say, God creation is, you know. And then just go use her. And after they use her, them just go dash her to the dogs. And then 2 2 you go see somebody come with on camera and say, oh, remember Rose? Oh, remember Rose? See Rose, yeah. And I'm going to put the camera upon him and I'm going to take 2 pictures of him. And that is the type of people where we reach. That is the way we reach as a people. Sound funny and it sound harsh, but that's truth. You understand? Yep. If you can keep some people happy by using other people, if people can be happy by you using them, using other people things to make them happy. You know what I mean? Man, I said back in the days, you know, man. Back in the days, you know, man. We don't like some good old gospel to keep us happy. Or some lovers rock to keep us happy. You know, something else, not people life, but social media turn the whole of in a mockery, because we have to use people life to drop asleep. And people life to wake up. You know, some people then left Instagram and then left Facebook because they like to see the clothing. They like to see people use people life and make mockery of them. Not one person you hear say. Not one person you jump up and say, oh God man, no stop doing it to Rose, man. Stop doing it to Rose, man. But I just hope that somebody will find it fit to set up a foundation for her. That's when them will feel like say them will lose in that process. Because God have a funny way, you know, how him can turn things around, you know. God have a funny way on turn things around. That's why I always say him work behind the scene and him work unpredictable. Him work stupid, so to speak, stupid. You know, man with Campbell, him work stupid. You may find it stupid, but the way all God work, trust me, it's unbelievable all God work. So them can go there and talk about them and clothes out Rose and have Rose turn him in a puppy show.
I certainly agree with Ruan this, you know, because one of the things when me always say when time I see these social media sensations pop up, I say let's just hope that there is actually somebody, at least one person who have the mindset enough to say, you know what, let me put something concrete in place for this person, because it's all good and dandy when time people are sending money here and there, but if it's not being placed in a structured plan, it makes no sense, because the money are going to come in for the minute and then it just go right back out and the person is left in the very same situation them start out in to begin with. Right, so me agree with Run right there. So, you know, set up something for the person, right? Not just run with them for a minute and then when time them little buzz or them little, you know, fade away, you just toss them to the corner and eat that. We see it happen to Candy, you understand? But anyway, viewers, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. Talk to me down in the comment section. Let me know, do you agree with Ruan or do you disagree with Ruan? More want to hear your views in the comment section. Alright, if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and turning on all notifications. So once we upload a video, you will get notified. Until the next video, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Want to boost traffic to your business or get more ears listening to your music? Don't know where to start? Let us help you. Advertise with Unstoppable Media and get noticed today. Contact us at 876-420-3368 or email us at xtrailplayer@gmail.com. That's xtrailplayer@gmail.com. Let us put you in front of our audience today.
Right now, you know we unstoppable.